So to top our pizza, we'll start off with sauce. This sauce is just crushed tomato that's been salted, but not herbed or seasoned in any other way, and it has not been cooked. Just raw tomato. Now to put it onto the pizza, I'm just gonna take maybe 1.5 to 2 ladlefuls. In a pizzeria, they'll have a ladle that's the right amount of sauce for their pie, but I'm not a pizzeria. I'm just in my apartment. I use the bottom of the spoon to push it out. And by moving it around to the border, that's the border that I created when I stretched out the dough, I know that this is going to be an even bake, way more even than if I had like zigzagged the tomato everywhere. So a couple little chunks here and there, that's okay, but it's good and it's still free and moving. So next step, we're going to season this tomato. I use a little bit of oregano and a little bit of chili flake. I'm making a New York style pizza, so I want to give it the New York pizza seasonings. That also means that I'm going to want to use a New York style pizza cheese. I shredded up some low moisture mozzarella. Just use a box shredder. And I take about a big handful of cheese and I started kind of on the outside. The center is going to get plenty of cheese. Don't worry about the center. In cheesing up this pizza, I don't want to overdo it. If I do that, it's going to be greasy and it's going to be slimy and it's going to be a mess. So I'm going to put on enough cheese that I can see through it. I always want to be able to see some of the tomato through it. That's it. That's my pizza. Now before I put it in the oven, I do a little shake test just to make sure it's still loose. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. It's loose. Just enough so that I know that it's going to move when I put it into the oven. All right, I'm off. Now I'm going to bake this with a baking steel. So that's like a pizza stone, but it's made out of steel. I'm going to open up the oven door and you'll see it's been in there preheating for probably about an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour. And then we're going to drop this sucker right on it. That's it. It's going to take about 6.5 minutes, and then we'll have pizza. Sometimes about halfway through the bake, I like to turn the pizza around. So I'm going to open up the oven. Rare time we open up the oven. Pull it out, and if I think it needs a turn, I'll turn it. Oh yeah. Too much char. Looked like I was getting too much char from the part that was in the back of the oven. So now hopefully by turning it, giving it maybe 1 more minute to bake, we should be good. There it is, a New York style pizza made with the dough that I made 2 days ago using the recipe in my other video. If you want a link to that other video, it's in the description. Nice hole structure, good charring on the bottom. All right, thanks for watching.